Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Bloons TD6 crashing on PC, including CTD setup, crashes, and freezing issue on Epic Games.
Fix 1. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click on the Epic Games launcher, select Run as administrator. Step 2. Launch Bloons TD6 from the launcher. Step 3. Check if the game runs without crashing. Fix 2. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters. Step 2. Right. Click your GPU update driver, search automatically. Step 3. Restart your PC and launch the game. Fix 3. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Epic Games Launcher, go to Library. Step 2. Click the three dots next to Bloons TD6, Manage, Verify. Step 3. Wait for the verification to finish and relaunch the game. Fix 4. Disable background apps. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, open Task Manager. Step 2. End unnecessary apps, especially overlays, Discord, GeForce Experience. Step 3. Launch the game again.